Step into the 2007 Hummer H3 SUV. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, bucket seats, daytime running lights and driver adjustable lumbar. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.